Hello everyone, it's Jim from MPX AUTOS. How are you today? In this video I would like to share how to remove the top section of the LED running light in the BMW headlight. We actually are doing the whole headlight front lens replacement because it's already been damaged, cracked, broken. But we are talking about how to remove top LED light, the running light on the top section, which is requiring you to remove the whole headlight out of the car first. Then you need to remove the top section here behind this casing. So you can imagine that top section stay as a small separate independent section on the top here, and it actually has the connection for the LED running light over here to this one, which you disconnect. And this particular LED strip here, it is glued into the slot here by some rubber glue strip. So you have one long one running on the top to the edge here, running down here, which is, you can see this one we are already removing up to here, and that rubber running along here and go back here. Okay, so we already removed a part of this, and already removed the top rubber along here, and already removed up to here. So what you need to do is using the heat gun and gently heat it, and after that you use the small plier to pull that rubber out, glue out of the place, slowly and gently and patiently. It takes about 15 minutes to do this section, 20 minutes to remove the top section here, and you don't damage a thing. But be careful because the part is very small and fragile, and also it is containing two different sections. One is the LED over here, and one is another strip, which you can have a demonstration of the other side, which you remove. That looks like this and like this. Okay, so that's two part. So be careful to treat this one, but after about 20 minutes patiently remove all the glue and pull this one out first, the LED out first, and then use the plier to hold this tab here and pull that one out. It will come out and looks like that. Okay, so that's how we do to remove the LED running light section from the BMW to replace, or whatever you do to that one. Okay, so thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.